Hello friends, today we are going to learn Siemens Step 7 S7300 basic hardware configuration and input simulation with respect to some basic inputs. In that first we are going to this our Siemens interface window. In that you have to create a new project. In that new project normally it should be a default path, so I will maintain the same place. So the project name is S7300 hardware configuration. Okay, then click OK. Then the window will open. In that you also see in the left hand corner there is a no hardware station is present. So now we are going to insert a station. I am selecting S7300. In that you want to extend the bar. In that you can go to the hardware configuration. In this hardware configuration, this is the main window and is the devices are available in that structure. So I am going to select S7300. First we are going to insert a rack. The rack is nothing but a rail to mount a PLC and power supply and CP cards. Okay. In that project, I am just going to use here just a CPU. Basic. It is coming with Profibus and a Profinet. So I am creating a network. So it's a default IP. If you want to change, you can change the IP. Normally, I am using 1.1. So I am creating a new Ethernet network. Then click OK. Now, if you see the basic PLC is created. Now we can, for simulating purpose, I am adding some signal modules. In that signal module, I am adding the DI. So you can add the 4. Then I am getting the DO as well. Okay, so and I'm just checking in that the addresses. For this address is start from system default 0 to 1. And here also I am removing the system default. Here also I am making 0. Okay, now the basic hardware structure is over with the Ethernet interface. Now, if you see, we are already assigned the addresses, but we have not created any Profibus. So you just click the MPA bar DP. In that, you have to select Profibus, then create a new network, and the network setting is ensure there is a 1.5 Mbps. Now, the project is created with the Profibus and the Profinet. Now, once you complete the hardware configuration, just give the save and compile. Once save and compile, there is no error in that system. Okay, so just I am closing the window and see in that we have to create is our CPU, then our programs. Normally OB1 will come and system data will default will come. So I am just creating the OB1 and just giving the basic name for the basic test. Okay, the network you can, as per your wish, you can create a ladder or FBD whatever. So I am creating the ladder. Okay, so once the blocks are created, so now we have to test the simulation where it is working or not. Okay, so I am just opening the simulation window. In that simulation window, I am just removing because I am using the old projects. Okay, now they see there is no run mode in that, so I am adding the inputs and outputs. Okay, here I am selecting 0 because our inputs are 0 and our outputs are 0. So once things are over, I just click and I download the project to my simulation PLC. So my project is downloaded successfully. Now we can test our PLC is going run mode or not. Yeah, see our system is in run mode. So we can test our system is working or not. So in that OB1, I am just creating the blocks. So in that I configured I0.0 and I0.1. For this basic simulation purpose, I am doing this. So I am making the Q0.0. This I am put a symbol, you can put ER. Emergency data type boolean. Just put stop, and I am putting the apply. Then this is for the start. And just create a symbol just for the identification. Motor. So now we can simulate this. Now the programs are ready. So I am just downloading that. And as you see, my program is online. If you see our simulation PLC run mode. So I am just testing purpose. I check the emergency stops are healthy. Then I am start. You see the motor is running. If I press the emergency, my motor also will stop. If I stop also, the motor will stop. So after checking the simulation, you just go offline and save your program. Thank you.